During your last period, you had started with the topic estimation and you had learned 2 examples under the topic estimation. Now today, I will be teaching you 2 more examples based on estimation. Okay? Now suppose you generally conduct a birthday party at your home. You call your friends, तुम्ही तुमच्या मित्र मैत्रिणींना बोलवता, बरोबर? That time what happens is your mother has an idea as to how many of your friends are going to attend. If your mother asks you how many of your friends are going to come, she needs to have an idea how big the size of the cake should be or how many chocolates she needs to buy or the snacks. She won't go for 5 kg cake if the number of students coming to, number of friends coming to the party are less. You tell your mother that hardly 15 to 18 of my friends are going to attend the birthday party. So she has an idea as to she needs to bring chocolates for 20 of your friends, or she don't have to buy a big cake, 5 kg cake. She will buy hardly 1 kg or 1.5 kg cake. This is where the term rounding off comes. Okay, this is what we are going to learn today. I'll give you one more example regarding a marriage. Marriage, it is not 15 or 18 people attending it. It's in hundreds, right? It might be 500, it might be more than 500. You have an idea as to how many people attend a marriage. 500, 600, 700. Okay, here we have to round off to 100. Of 200. Okay, so today we are going to learn about rounding off to the nearest tens as well as rounding off to the nearest 100. It comes under the concept of estimation. It comes under the topic estimation. So now rounding off to the nearest 10. Generally, tens are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. This 100 is nothing but 10 tens. Okay, I have written all the tens coming under 10 to 100. Now what happens is to round off the number, to the nearest place, nearest 10, see the digit at the ones place. I am underlining it. This is what is important. Okay. To round off the numbers to the nearest 10, see the digit at the ones place. Rounding off to the nearest 10. If the digit at the ones place is 4 or less, then place a 0 at the ones place and let the digit at the tens place remain as it is. I repeat, if the digit at the ones place is 4 or less, what does that mean? 4, 3, 2, 1 or 0. Then place a 0 at the ones place and let the digit at the tens place remain as it is. Here I have given you one example 53. Here you can see that 3 which is in the ones place is less than 4. Am I right? This 3 is less than 4. So what I need to do is I need to place a 0 in the ones place, or you say it as unit place. Okay, and then I'll keep the number in the tens place, the digit in the tens place as it is. So 53 has been rounded off to nearest 50. Am I right? So this is how you are going to round off to the nearest tens. I hope I am clear. I'll give you one more example. (82). Here I have 2 in the ones place and 8 in the tens place. Here 2 is less than 4. So I need to place 0 in the ones place and the digit in the tens place remain as it is. So here 82 has been rounded off to the nearest 80. Nearest 10 is 80. I hope I am clear with this. Now okay, now there is one more criteria under the heading rounding off to the nearest 10. This is if the digit at the ones place is 5 or more than 5. We had learned 4 or less than 4. Now here it is 5 or more than 5. Then place a 0 at the ones place and add 1 to the digit at the tens place. I hope I am clear with this. Now I will be giving you one example. The number given is 67. Okay, it is 67. Now you can see that this number which is in the ones place, the digit in the ones place is 7. Okay, which is more than 5. 7 is more than 5. So what we need to do? Then place a 0 at the ones place. Okay, I'll write ones and tens. I'll place a 0 here in the ones place and add 1 to the digit at the tens place. You need to add 1 to the digit at the tens place. What digit is there in the tens place? 6. I need to add 1 to that. So how much is it? It is 7, right? Now I have rounded 67 to 70. Okay, this is second criteria based on rounding off to the nearest 10. I hope I am clear with this rounding off to the nearest 10. I'll give you one more example. It's 28. It's 28. The digit in the ones place is more than 5. The digit in the ones place is more than 5. So I need to place a 0 in the ones place and then add 1 to the digit in the tens place. I need to add 1 to the digit in the tens place. Okay. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. I have rounded off 28 to 30. I hope I am clear with this. Okay. During our next period, we will learn about rounding off to the nearest 100.